In this video, I will be showing you how to rename your website domain on Lovable AI. Let's get started. Starting right here on the main Lovable dashboard, I begin by moving my cursor over to the top left corner of the screen and clicking on the sidebar menu icon. From the project list, I locate and click on my project titled Health Hub Preview. As the page loads, I am brought straight into the project workspace where I can see my prompt history, layout settings, and a live web preview panel on the right side of the screen. To access the project settings, I move my mouse back up toward the top left corner of the workspace and click on the project header dropdown right next to the title. This opens up a quick action menu with options like Go to Dashboard, Settings, Project Connectors, and Rename Project. I click on Settings to open the full project configuration screen. Once the settings page finishes loading, I take a look at the left-hand navigation sidebar under the General section. Here, you will see options for General Settings, Git Integration, and Domains. I click on Domains to bring up all the domain management features for this website. At the top of the Domains page, under the Main Domains section, I can see my currently active published URL, which is set to Pure Cure Site, lovable.app. Directly to the right of this address, there is a button labeled Edit URL. I go ahead and click on Edit URL to open up the subdomain configuration dialog. Inside the URL subdomain text box, I double-click to highlight the existing subdomain name, Pure Cure Site, and press Delete on my keyboard. I click back inside the subdomain field, highlight Health Matter, and erase it completely. This time, I type in a unique subdomain name, please, and click on Update URL Subdomain. The button changes to Show Updating, and after a brief pause, the modal closes. A green success message pops up in the bottom right corner confirming that the URL subdomain has been updated successfully. Looking back at the top of the Domains page, I can now see that my published domain has been updated to, confirming that my website domain name has been successfully renamed in Lovable AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.